100 interesting facts about the human body. The human brain is about 60% fat. Your taste buds have a lifespan of around 10 to 14 days. The strongest muscle in the human body is the masseter, responsible for chewing. Human adults have 206 bones. The cornea is the only part of the body without blood vessels. Sneezes can travel up to 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour. The human eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors. Babies have around 300 bones at birth, which fuse into fewer as they grow. The acid in your stomach is strong enough to dissolve metal. Humans shed about 600,000 particles of skin every hour. The left lung is smaller than the right to make room for the heart. Fingernails grow 4 times faster than toenails. Your heart beats around 100,000 times per day. The human nose can remember 50,000 different scents. The average human produces enough saliva in a lifetime to fill 2 swimming pools. The human liver can regenerate lost tissue. The human body contains enough iron to make a small nail. Babies are born with more bones than adults because some fuse together as they grow. The brain uses 20% of the body's total oxygen and blood flow. The average person blinks about 15 to 20 times per minute. The human body produces a new layer of skin roughly every 28 days. Human DNA is 99.9% identical among all individuals. The strongest bone in the human body is the femur. The average person has about 100,000 hairs on their head. Humans are the only animals that cry emotional tears. A human fetus develops fingerprints at around 6 to 13 weeks. The surface area of the human lungs is equivalent to a tennis court. The heart can pump blood up to 30 feet 9 meters per second. The smallest bone in the human body is the stapes in the ear. Your small intestine is around 22 feet 6.7 meters long. The human body contains enough carbon to make 9,000 pencils. The human brain generates about 25 watts of power while awake. The tongue is the only muscle in the body that is attached at one end. Human feet have 26 bones and 33 joints. Your body produces a pint of mucus every day to protect your lungs. Red blood cells live for about 120 days. Human eyes can distinguish up to 10 million colors. The adult human body is made up of about 60% water. The human heart starts beating around 22 days after conception. Humans shed and regrow their outer skin every 2 to 4 weeks. The human body has more than 600 individual muscles. The average person loses about 50 to 100 hairs per day. Your skin is your body's largest organ, weighing around 8 pounds. The human brain can process information as fast as 120 meters per second. The length of all the blood vessels in the human body is about 60,000 miles, 97,000 kilometers. The small intestine's surface area is approximately 250 square meters. Humans have a unique fingerprint pattern that is different from everyone else's. Your sense of smell is strongest in the morning and weakest at night. Your taste buds are replaced every 2 weeks. Human bones are stronger than steel in terms of weight-bearing capacity. The human body has more than 50 different cell types. The average adult takes about 20,000 breaths per day. Your skin contains millions of bacteria and other microorganisms. The human heart pumps around 2,000 gallons, 7,570 liters, of blood each day. The human body has over 600 lymph nodes. The longest muscle in the human body is the sartorius. The average person walks about 70,000 miles in their lifetime. Human skin is thickest on the soles of the feet and thinnest on the eyelids. The human eye can process images at a rate of 36,000 bits per hour. Humans can distinguish about 10,000 different scents. Your body has more than 50 different cell types. The human body contains enough iron to make a 3-inch 6 centimeters nail. The human liver performs over 500 functions in the body. Your ears and nose never stop growing throughout your life. Human bones are 4 times stronger than concrete. The human stomach produces a new lining every 3 days to avoid digesting itself. Your body has around 5 million sweat glands. The enamel on your teeth is the hardest substance in your body. The human body can produce about 1/4 of a teaspoon of urine each minute. The human body contains enough phosphorus to fill a box of matches. The strongest bone in the human body is the jawbone. Your body has over 650 skeletal muscles. Your heartbeat is faster when you stand than when you lie down. Humans have the ability to see ultraviolet light, but the lens in the eye filters it out. The human body has about 100 trillion cells. Your brain consumes about 20% of your body's total energy. The human heart can continue to beat even if separated from the body. Your nose can remember over 50,000 different scents. Your ears help maintain balance and sense gravity. The human body loses up to 50,000 skin cells every minute. Your body produces a liter of mucus each day to trap and remove harmful particles. Human bones are about 5 times stronger than steel. The human eye can detect a candle flame up to 30 miles away on a clear night. Your lungs have a surface area equivalent to a tennis court. The human body contains about 0.2 milligrams of gold. Your kidneys filter about 180 liters of blood each day. Humans are the only animals that blush. The adult human heart weighs about 10 ounces, 283 grams. Your body has more than 650 muscles. The human brain contains about 86 billion neurons. Your body produces 25 million new cells every second. The human body has 32 teeth on average. The surface area of human skin is around 21 square feet, 2 square meters. The average human sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour, 161 kilometers per hour. Your body's red blood cells make a complete circuit of your body every 20 seconds. The human body has over 20 square feet of skin. The human body can produce about 2.5 pints, 1.5 liters, of saliva per day. Your body contains enough carbon to fill 9,000 pencils. The average human blink lasts about 1/10 of a second. The human body contains enough phosphorus to fill a small box of matches. I hope you find these facts about the human body fascinating.